Enhanced cellular technology tube installation. Improves safety and reduce maintenance by eliminating nitrogen charging of pulsation control devices. First, loosen the valve cap and release all internal cartridge pressure. Next, loosen the groove clamp bolts. Now, remove the clamps. Move the gasket out of the way. Remove the old cartridge. Inspect and clean inside shell, groove, and clamp area. Install ECT tube and head assembly and align top to shell. Install gasket to proper position. Reinstall the groove clamp. Tighten the clamp bolts. The unit is now ready for operation.